Hey guys, welcome back to today's episode. In today's video, I'll be talking about setting up file sharing server on our Windows Server 2025. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do so as soon as possible. Like this video and also share it with all of your communities. I'll be right back. So guys, in today's episode, I'll be talking about setting up a file sharing server on our Windows Server 2025. In addition to that, we'll be mapping that file sharing server to a drive. Let's go do that right now. So one of the first things we want to check is to confirm if we have file server installed on our Windows Server 2025. So just click on Add Roles and Features. Next, you want to click on Next on this wizard. Role base, click on Next. Make sure you select your server, hit Next. Now, click on this drop down right beside file server. Select this drop down. Alright, here it says file server and it is installed. If yours is not installed, you can go ahead and click on Next, just next through, and then click on Install on this wizard. So once that is confirmed, I can go ahead and click on X. Alright, we have our file server installed. The next thing we want to do is to open our file explorer. I have a disk here. I personally partition my drive, right? This is just 2 gig. You can give it as much gig as you want, and if you have an external drive, that is absolutely perfect as well. Alright, from this external drive that I've partitioned, I will open it. Now I will create a new folder, right? And I will call it my shared. Click on Enter. Inside this folder, I will create 3 subfolders. Let's open it. I'll go ahead and create 3 subfolders. I'll call this IT. Another subfolder. Let's call this HR. And the third one, let's call that one Sales. So I have these 3 subfolders that I've created. I'll go back to my Windows Server and open, let's go to Tools and select Active Directory Users and Computers. So the next thing I want to do is to come to this organization unit that I've created. We call it OU, right? I will expand it. Within this organization unit, I have another organization unit called Users. I have just one user account that I have created. Now I want to create another organization unit. I'll right click, select New, Organization Unit. I'll call this My Shared. Click on OK. Now, within this My Shared Organization Unit, I will create a group. Let's go to New, select Group, and I'll call the group Shared Admin. Make sure Global and Security is selected. Click OK. Now I have this Shared Admin group I just created. Let's open it. Double click. Go to Members. Now I want to add a member to this account. I will add the domain admin. Click on, just type in domain. You can click on check names. Select domain admin. Click on OK. Click on OK. Hit apply. We have added domain admins to this shared admin account I just created. Click apply, click on OK. There you have it. Now the next thing I want to do is to create more groups. I'll create 3 more groups. Call this HR group. Click on OK. Another group. I'll call this IT group. Click on OK. One last group I'll create. Let's call this sales group. Click on OK. Now we have all this group I just created. So one thing I want to do is, I have an account here called supports, right? This is an organization unit with users, and I have an account here called supports. Let's assume this is the help desk support, personnel. Let's add it to the IT group we just created. Open the IT group, go to members, click on add, type in support, check name to confirm. There you go. Click OK, apply, and OK. All right, now we have these 4 groups, and we only have supports as a user in IT group, while HR group is empty. We don't have any member here. Sales group is also empty. We don't have any member for both. Now, the next thing we want to do is, let's open our Windows Explorer. In our Windows Explorer, we'll go back to the My Shared folder. All right, this is the My Shared folder. Let's right click. Go to Properties. Click on the Security tab. Advanced. Now, let's change the owner from administrator to shared admin. Click on Change. Type in shared. Click on check name. There you have it, shared admin. Hit OK. Now, we also want to disable inheritance. Select Convert Inherited Permission. All right, great. Once we've done that, let's remove these users in this account. Remove, click on this, remove, click on Creator Owner, remove, click on Administrator, remove. All right, now let's add the shared admin to this folder. Shared admin, click on OK. Let's give shared admin full permission. All right, click on OK. And there you have it. Also, one of the things we want to do is to add domain user. Click on select the principal, type in domain, click on check names. Now we want to add domain user. So what this means is every user on our domain will be able to see this folder. See this shared file on their computer. Click on OK. Select OK. Now, the access we want to give them will be limited, right? Let's click on Show Advanced. All right. Let's give them this limited permission. They can read extended. Just click on OK. There you go. All right. We can click on Apply. We can click on OK. Now select OK. Click on OK. Let's turn on permission for sharing on this folder. Just right click, select Property, and click on the Sharing tab. Select Advanced Sharing. All right, we've turned this on. Now you can click on Permissions. We have everyone here. Right, the next thing we want to do is to add our shared admin. All right, let's add shared admin to the permission and give shared admin full control. Let's also add domain users. Check name. Click on domain users. Click OK. Select OK. Now for domain users, we just want to give them minimal permission. The read permission is enough. Now let's come to everyone. We can go ahead and remove everyone. So with just this domain user, any user that is added to our domain should be able to see our files. This shared folder, and also we have shared admin. So shared admin has full permission. Domain users has just read permission. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Click Apply. Click OK. Now you can select close. All right, let's open this my shared folder where we have 3 subfolders. Now let's start with IT. What we want to do here is to also go to the security tab, go to security, advanced. Let's change the owner to shared admin. Check names. Click on OK. Disable inheritance. Now let's remove all these accounts. Now let's add IT. Select principal, IT, the IT group. Click OK. What kind of control do we want to give the IT group? All right, let's give them full control. We'll be making some changes here. Let's go to show advanced permission. Now, what we want to do here is to make sure that anyone in IT group, any member of the IT group cannot delete a file or a folder, they cannot change permission, and they cannot take ownership. So those are the 3 things we'll be unchecking. Click on OK. And go ahead and click on apply. Click OK. Click OK. Now we can close this off. Click on OK. Let's come to HR. Do the same in HR. Go to properties. Click on the security tab. Click on advanced. Let's change ownership to shared admin, shared. Click on check names, shared admin, click on OK. Make sure you disable inheritance. Click on convert inherited permission. Next thing you want to do is remove domain users, remove system admin. Now we want to add the HR group. So anyone in HR should be able to access this file. Click on check name, HR group, click on OK. Let's check this show advanced permission. All right, anyone in HR does not need full control, and they shouldn't be able to delete, change ownership, change permission, or take ownership. You shouldn't give them that access. So this is fine. Let them do all of this. We can click on OK. Click on apply. Click OK. Select OK. You can click on OK. Now let's come to sales. Go to the security tab and do the same. Let's click on advanced. Let's change ownership to shared admin. Click on OK. Make sure you disable inheritance, convert inherited permission. Let's remove domain users. Let's remove administrators. Now let's add the sales group. So any member of the sales group should be able to access this. We have sales group. Click on OK. All right. Make sure they don't have the permission to delete, change permission, nor take ownership. If you've done that, you're good. Click on OK. Apply. Click OK. Now click OK. You can click on OK. All right, we are good with all of this. Now let's go to group policy management. Open the group policy management. All right, guys, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly do so. It really helped me and also encourage me to do more videos. And also like and share this with your community. I would appreciate that immensely. All right, we've opened the group policy management. Let's expand this first. Expand domain. Also expand your domain right here. All right, I'm going to flip this. Now go to the group policy object and expand it. All right, what we want to do here is to add a new object. You can call it any name you want. I'm going to call this mapped drive. Click on OK. All right, there we go. Right click on the map drive and select edit. Now come to user configuration, go to preferences, Windows settings. Now you see mapped drive. There you have it. Right click in this empty space, select new and click on map drive. You have this new window. You need to enter the location of the drive you want to map. Let's come back to the Windows Explorer. We are mapping the My Share folder. This is the My Shared. Right click on it, go to property, go to sharing. Now this is the location, this is the network path we want to map. Copy it. You can close this off, minimize this. Now paste that path right here in location. You can toggle this reconnect, so anytime you get disconnected, you can always reconnect. How do you want to label this? You can call this My Shared. Do you want to give it a drive letter? Yes, let's give it a drive letter. You can call it drive letter M. That's all. Now click on apply, click on OK. There you have it. Now it's been mapped. You can close this off. Now we need to drag this mapped drive to our domain to make sure it's synchronized. Just drag it over and drop it here. You'll get a prompt. You want to link the GPUs that you have selected to this domain. Click on OK. There you go. Now we've done that. The next thing we want to do is to sign out from our server and then sign in again. Sign in. All right, we've signed back into our Windows server just to make sure everything is synced and our group policy gets to be updated. Now let's go to our Windows 10. Let's log into our Windows 10 environment and see if we can see those drive we just mapped. All right, now let's check our folder and click on this PC. Now we can see the My Shared folder. This is it right here. Okay, let's open that folder. Right now we have the HR folder, the IT folder, and the source folder. To start with, remember that we have the support user added to the IT folder. So we would likely be able to open only this folder and not HR and sales. All right, let's start with IT. We can access this folder. Let's go back to My Shared. Let's try to access HR. No access to HR. Let's try to access sales folder. No access to sales folder. Now let's go back to our Windows server. All right, in our Windows server, what we want to do now is let's go to the My Shared group. Now in this My Shared group, let's add support. The support user, let's add it to HR and sales. So double click on HR, go to members, click on add, type in support, click on check name, select OK. Click on apply, click on OK. Let's go to sales. Let's do the same with sales. Double click on sales, go to members. Let's add the support as a member. Check name, click OK. We have support as a member in sales. Click on apply, select OK. Now we have added these members to HR and sales, and it's also in the IT group earlier. Let's go back to our Windows. Let's sign out. We need to sign out and then sign in again. Sign out. All right, now that we are back in, let's go back to our File Explorer. Click on this PC. Let's go to my shared. Let's check HR and sales. Now we have access to HR. Let's try sales. Now we also have access to sales. So that's pretty much everything for today, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around. All right, please do endeavor to share this video, endeavor to subscribe, and also click the like button. Thank you. Until we see you again in the next episode. Bye.